Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Horizon. Today, we're diving into how to use BingX promo codes to get the most out of your trading experience. Whether you're new to BingX or a seasoned trader, these promo codes can help you save money and earn bonuses. Make sure to stick around till the end for all the details and use the referral code CHUCHU to get started. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about BingX's promo code program. BingX offers various promo codes that provide users with numerous benefits, such as bonuses, trading fee discounts, and other rewards. Using a promo code can unlock special perks that make your trading experience more cost-effective and rewarding. Now let's go through the step-by-step process of using a BingX promo code. 1. Create an account. Go to the BingX website and click on the Register button. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and agree to the terms and conditions. You will receive a verification email. Click the link to verify your account. 2. Enter the promo code. During the registration process, you will see a field to enter a promo code. Make sure to enter the code CHUCHU to unlock your bonuses. 3. Complete KYC verification. To enhance your account security and increase your transaction limits, complete the KYC verification. Upload a photo ID and a selfie holding the ID. This process usually takes a few minutes to a few hours. Using the promo code CHUCHU comes with several benefits. 1. Sign-up bonuses. New users who sign up with a promo code can receive sign-up bonuses. These bonuses can include free trading credits, discounted trading fees, and other rewards. 2. Trading fee discounts. One of the main benefits of using a promo code is the trading fee discount. By using the promo code, you can enjoy lower trading fees, which can significantly reduce your trading costs over time. 3. Additional rewards. BingX often runs promotional events where users who sign up with a promo code can earn additional rewards. These can include bonuses for participating in trading competitions, staking rewards, and more. Let's take a closer look at BingX's trading fee structure and how you can benefit from fee discounts. 1. Standard trading fees. BingX charges competitive maker and taker fees for trading. However, these fees can be reduced by using the promo code CHUCHU. 2. Fee reductions. By using the promo code, you can get discounts on your trading fees. This discount can make a significant difference, especially if you are a frequent trader. For example, if you trade $10,000 worth of cryptocurrency in a month, your fees would be reduced with the promo code, saving you a substantial amount of money over time. BingX also offers event-based bonuses and promotions. 1. Promotional events. Keep an eye out for limited-time offers that provide reduced or zero trading fees for specific periods or trading pairs. These promotions can help you save even more on trading costs. 2. Trading competitions. BingX frequently holds trading competitions where you can earn rewards based on your trading volume. Participating in these competitions can be a fun way to earn extra bonuses. For example, during a promotional period, you might receive rebate cards that cover up to 2,000 USDT in trading fees. It's crucial to keep your account secure. 1. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable 2FA by downloading an authenticator app and linking it to your BingX account. This adds an extra layer of security. 2. Anti-phishing code. Set up an anti-phishing code in your account settings. This code will appear in all official emails from BingX, helping you verify their authenticity. If you run into any issues, BingX offers robust customer support. 1. Help Center. Access the Help Center for FAQs and detailed guides. 2. Contact support. For specific issues, use the live chat feature or submit a support ticket through the website. Here are some tips to help you manage and minimize your trading fees on BingX. 1. Use limit orders. By placing limit orders instead of market orders, you can benefit from the lower maker fees. 2. Upgrade your VIP level. Trade more and hold larger balances to move up the VIP tiers and enjoy lower fees. 3. Participate in promotions. Take advantage of promotional offers and fee rebate programs to reduce your trading costs. To sum up, understanding and utilizing BingX's promo codes can help you manage your trading costs effectively and maximize your profits. Don't forget to use the referral code CHUCHU to get started with BingX and enjoy exclusive benefits. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more crypto tips and updates.
So, what are you waiting for? Head over to BingX, sign up using the promo code CHUCHU, and start trading today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.